Hi everyone, and welcome to Smashbox, where we look at the latest in gaming and tech trends. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to upload Reels on Instagram. Instagram Reels are very much similar to TikTok and a lot of the social media companies such as Snapchat and YouTube. So Snapchat have now got Snapchat Spotlight and YouTube have got YouTube Shorts. These are essentially all copies of TikTok because TikTok was so successful. So what you need to do is open your Instagram app. I'm going to be showing you this on the iPhone. However, this will work for any smartphone Instagram app or tablet device. What you want to do is find the plus where you can add new content. In the current version of Instagram, it's right here. I'll tap on that. Now, if you simply want to record a reel live, you need to go down to the bottom and scroll down to Reels. Here you can simply start recording by tapping the record button and then tapping it again when you want it to finish. You can also hold your finger down on the record button to do the same thing. Then that will preview. I didn't really record anything there. You can also access the tools on the left-hand side to add audio, increase the speed or decrease the speed of the video, add effects, do the touch up. You can use a timer to add a count in to when it starts recording, and the align will hold a still image at the end so you can align your face to where it was beforehand. Let's record something as if we were going to upload it to Reels. There's my beautiful mouse right there. Let's preview that. Beautiful. Let's add some music to it. I'll just grab the latest trending song. You can even choose which section of the song you're going to add in there. I'm going to hit done, and now I have my reel ready to share. So when I click share, you've got the option to add it here to your stories or add it to Reels. This is where you write the caption right here. And then also, if you don't want this to be shared to your feed, simply disengage this slider right here. If you have that on, it will add it to your feed as well as Reels. You can also tag your friends down the bottom here. You can also crop a profile image right there. I'm going to hit save as draft because I'm not going to set that to live. Now, if you have a previously recorded video that you made on your smartphone, you can also upload that to Reels. So if we go to the same plus button right here, and here is a short video that I recorded in the park, I can add that to Reels if I like. Now, what can be a little bit confusing is it says down the bottom post when I select that, but I'm going to choose Reels later on. So if I select Reels down the bottom, it's actually going to try and force me to record a video. But if I just hit next, I can select to share that as a post here or as a reel, and I hit continue. And if I select reel, it's going to give me the option, all of those editing options that I had on the previous screen, but they're now across the top here. I can add text, I can draw on it. I can also change the filters. I can record audio or pop music on there, and then when it's ready to share, we do the same thing. We have the same screen as before, and we select Reels, which is already selected. We can write a caption there, disengage the share to feed, and everything I previously discussed. So that's about as easy as it gets, and once your reel is shared, it is live and it can be featured on the Reels, which is on the main page. I'm going to save that as a draft as well. So if I click that middle button right there, I will be viewing all of the Reels, and then you just swipe down to see all the Reels. So once your reel is there, it will be public and other people can view it as well, just in the same way as if you uploaded TikTok. I hope you found this content valuable. If you did, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. This video was brought to you by my favorite plugin for Chrome, which is called TubeBuddy, and it is an add-on for YouTube where you can access all kinds of extra features and secret information just by clicking on a video with TubeBuddy. You get to see a summary of the video's views, comments, and likes with this extra panel over here. You also get some SEO features, and you get to see Channelytics, which gives you all the information about the channel that you're watching. If you click on the Channelytics for the channel, it will also show you the keywords somebody has used on their channel, and it will compare your YouTube channel to their YouTube channel. I use TubeBuddy all the time also to find ideas for tags on my videos, and sometimes it can just be really interesting to see what other people tag their videos with. You can use the TubeBuddy plugin to explore trending topics worldwide on YouTube and Google, and also check how keywords might rank for your next video. So if I type something in there, it will show me how often it's searched for, how much competition I have, and whether it's a good keyword I can use on my videos. This way you can do keyword research, and the plugin is completely free. I used the free version for about 2 years and then recently switched to the paid version, which gives me a lot of extra options and has really helped me grow my YouTube channel. If you want to install the free version of the TubeBuddy plugin, I will leave a link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. And if you end up purchasing the paid version, you'll receive a special discount using my link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.